Listen, my name is Clifford Ngakani. I am the General Manager at the Boardwalk Casino. We are pretty much the biggest tourism investment in the Eastern Cape, and we're currently getting bigger. We're spending about R1 billion in making this place bigger and better, and we are glad to support these products. We believe this event is the most prominent event in our social calendar there. It's got great links into charity as well, and we are committed to supporting the community as well. So for us, it is important to be seen, to be supporting events of this nature. We believe that the role of this PE is to present Nelson Mandela Bay in the best possible light, not only to people within the metro, but to others externally. It's very important to have the right person in that role, because it's not just a beauty pageant, it's a little bit more than that, much more than that. I think it's important to have MSP contribute towards a lot of tourism initiatives. One of the ideas is to make sure they get involved in selling the metro to outsiders, and maybe get involved in things like Indaba or Meetings Africa, where external parties could be attracted to come to our bay. We spend quite a lot of time and effort in attracting people to the metro, and it's important that this person, or the lucky lady, goes out there and represents the metro. First Princess will be going to Sun City, which is a fantastic resort in the Sun International Group. There's so much to do there, ranging from you can go to Glennsburg National Park, go through the Water World and the Valley of Waves. And if you really feel like splashing out, you could go through to the Lost City. There's a lot to do, and I think the First Princess will have a fantastic time there. In my opinion, and as I've been told by a lot of my staff members and customers, that listening to customers and to staff is very important, because you pick up a lot more and know a little bit more about your product. And any leader, including MSP, would have to listen to what the needs of the community are and react in a positive light. Because if you do not listen, it's very hard to understand what people are looking for, and people's ambitions fall by the wayside if you don't catch on to them. As you know, we contribute a lot towards charity while maintaining our fun element at the casino, and part of that is that MSP would, in our minds, be involved with some of our charity work, ranging from golf days and fundraisers and shows along those lines. For example, we are talking about having fundraisers within certain areas, particularly focusing on the needy. And for example, I spoke earlier on about what we could do with the rape crisis centers in some of the areas which are in desperate need for assistance. So having that person there will be to ensure that we can stretch our backs and make sure we reach a lot more people. And also, there's no point in being boring. The person must have fun.